folks. I'm doing this video in advance. If you're watching this video, it's probably the everyone's celebrating Christmas. Just to let you know, I don't do Christmas. No, I'm not Jehovah. I'm not anti-Christmas. I'm not anti-anything. Basically, if you want to celebrate whatever you want, go right ahead. No big deal. My just wanted to say happy holidays. Hope everybody has good holidays and everybody has lots of turkey and ham and stuffing. And don't get me wrong, just because I don't celebrate holidays, it doesn't mean I don't like to eat. I don't think any of my family really gets together anymore, but that's another whole issue I won't even mention on here. But other than that, it's just I'm gonna hang out with the kids, and I'll probably be working in my garage on Christmas because it's just another day for me. My store, we're probably gonna close. We probably have already, by the time you get this thing, we're gonna close probably a little before Christmas and stay closed till after holidays. Maybe give us a week, 2 or 3 weeks, just to chill out. Problem with that is we're broke because we do rely on our business to make some money. So I'm not like a millionaire. I wish I would. Mind you, I got a cost of living increase, and what did they say, the highest in 40 years from my VA benefits. Thank you, U.S. military, for our veterans. And so basically, everybody have a safe happy Christmas, holidays, all that shit, and have some fun. Hopefully, everybody gets some brand new tools. If you want to send me tools, I don't mind. If you want to send me stickers, I'm gonna try to get some stickers made. I know I only got 800 subscribers, and I know my channel's not the greatest in the world, and I don't have like all these fancy video editings, but everybody does their own thing. I don't. What do you call it? Unless my garage burns down to the ground, maybe I'll ask for a Patreon and ask you for some help. But other than that, I'm not planning on doing Patreon. I would like to, make a few bucks and have some projects. What's some of the projects I got in the new year? I have a big red ATC big red I'm going to fix. Actually, I'm just going to get it running. I'm not even going to restore it. I'm just going to probably clean up whatever needs to be cleaned up. It's sitting outside. There's quite a few tools. I'm pretty much thinking of selling the big iron worker that I was planning on buying. It's too big and bulky. I would like to clean up my Pexto metal shear and just give it a paint job. I'd like to make my Dake, what do you call it? Arbor press, make that look nicer. I have to oil everything in here because it hasn't been oiled in a while. So I'm going to get some. I don't think I want to use WD-40 because it's a solvent. Everybody says, oh yeah, lubricate it with WD-40. It's a penetrating oil that's a solvent that aerosols. So everything I put WD-40 on is just evaporated. I have been using if I can find it, CRC Marine Lube, which the can is, where the hell is it? It's around here somewhere. Hold on, I'll find it. Give me a second. Where is it? Of course, when I want to show you, it's never there. Stay tuned. I'll cut this part out. We'll cut it. I gotta order some more actually. CRC to rescue. Where are you? Well. It's hiding. It doesn't want to come out of its office. Look at this. I bought some of this stuff. It's a multi-purpose lubricant. Starts wet engines, frees rust parts, protects against corrosion. And no word of a lie, this shit works. I sprayed my entire, milling machine down and not one speck of rust. And it's not antique machinery online. There was another channel. The guy told me, this is where I've learned it from. Is it Keith Rucker? I think it's Keith Rucker, not Keith Rucker. Maybe it is. If I find the name, he used it, and he said he left his entire garage outside and under a pallet or whatever, and sprayed everything with this stuff. And the only spots that rusted was the little spots there. So I got to do that over the holidays. So, but back to what my whole Christmas thing is hope everybody does whatever they do, has lots of fun, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, all that stuff. I'm not one of these people like, oh, you can't say Merry Christmas anymore. You know what? Fuck, you don't like it, you don't like it. You know what? If I say Happy Holidays, it just means there's too many goddamn holidays name off. It's not like I'm gonna be offended or I think I'm gonna offend anybody by saying Merry Christmas. I mean, if you tell me it too, I'm not gonna get offended. How do you know I don't celebrate Christmas? But at least, you know, you were like, hey, have a good one. So that's my theory. Too many people are trying to please everybody. I'm going to just have fun and do what the hell we want. But let's stay out of politics in this channel. I could start a whole new channel on that one. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I hope everybody, oh, and New Year's, have a great New Year's too. See my, this is how I get all the little close-up shots. I'm getting more fancy. But, yeah, happy holidays. Hope everybody eats a lot of turkey, a lot of chicken, a lot of ham, a lot of stuffing. I don't know, cranberry sauce, whatever the hell you do for... I do like meat pies, though. Around here, we make different meat pies. We don't make the same... it's like kind of half mashed potatoes and half mashed potatoes and half meat. And usually some people put half pork and thing, and they make it makes like this nice soft pie. Heat it up. Some people put cranberry sauce on it. Some people like ketchup. Personally, I like salt and pepper on it. I don't really eat it. I don't eat a lot of carbohydrates anymore, but when I do, I go to town on this shit, like most people. So yeah, unclog your chimneys, tell your kids lots of lies, and have a good time, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.